and welcome. If you're new here, it gets weird. Anyway, so today we're talking about the human brain, one of my favorite organs. Not that one. That one. Now, there is a test from numerous neurologists that helps predict what the brain does when aging. And while it can't actually predict your risk of having Alzheimer's, it can perhaps help the population and really maybe help with the learning about the behaviors of the human brain during aging or whatever. Now, someone who has brain damage like me might be a pretty bad subject, but they also might ask you if you have a certain type to take part in the DNA sequence to compare you to other human beings and compare your brain to other human beings to thus help other humans. So take a good look at that. I am loving, I apologize wholeheartedly, because I actually have to quickly look at my source. Of course I do. Honestly. Dropbox, why are you like this? Just looking. I apologize. I was not organized. So what we're talking about is a test from a place called MindCrowd, which is an online study to understand the factors that influence the human brain functions. MindCrowd researchers want to know the way people remember things and how that might change as they age. If researchers better understand the way memory changes as people age, they may be able to understand what changes occur in people who have age-related brain diseases that affect their memory, such as Alzheimer's disease and other dementias. MindCrowd is a part of a research study which is conducted by the Translational Genomics Research Institute, which is called TGen, and that is also from the University of Arizona in Tucson. Doctors Matt Huntelman, Lee Ryan are founders and the principal scientists behind MindCrowd. So basically, it is all about seeing what happens at different ages as the brain matures and maybe doesn't quite keep up. So when you're doing this test, you will get different tests for attention, for example. You'll get some memory tests. Like, you'll get a series of 10 cards of two separate words like dress and boat. And after showing you these 10 cards, they will then try to see how many of the pairs that you remember. It takes about 10 minutes, and check that out, see what you can do to help out future research. And while it can't tell you, for example, your intelligence quotient, then again, neither can the IQ test, honestly. Especially if you are perhaps living in poverty or grew up in poverty and or are of a different race than the people that were originally tested. Because the IQ tests that they have are not great if you have various things. So experience is necessary, and so is so many other things. And if you don't have the experience, you're not going to do well on a lot of these things. But you can pay attention, and you can somewhat use your memory. You can't take it on a mobile phone, so you're gonna need a tablet or a computer. And I will put up screenshots and I will put the information down below. And also, just keep going. By the way, if you feel like you didn't do good, you're not stupid. You're using your brain in a different way. Everyone uses their brain in a different way. I won't think like you. You won't always think like me. And please, that is perfectly fine. So anyway, check out MindCrowd, take the test, see what you can do for advanced research through the University of Arizona and the MindCrowd team. You may be asked to do extra, and they will email stuff to you regarding the DNA part, which might help later on with talking about other dementias and Alzheimer's disease. So that's what I'm talking about today. And tests are very much on my mind because in a couple days I will be taking midterms in my chemistry course. And it is gonna be fun. Also, just remember, you are not stupid, even if you have brain damage. And sometimes brain damage helps you. I don't want to say go out there and bonk yourself in the head, by teaching you to use your brain in a different way or growing your brain so that you can live and function and everything else. So anyway, you are loved, and take really good care of you, and enjoy your day. Bye-bye.